Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello everyone. In this video we like to install Bootstrap 5 in our project JS step by step. Local data and Bainordin, a prof and engineer in computer science from Istanbul Brimlel City. So we give all needed steps to install Bootstrap and how to use them. First of all, go to the terminal and type a new command. So we can go to our terminal and type npm install bootstrap bootstrap. Voila. And wait a few moments to let React install and import all needed file. To check that we are install correctly the bootstrap, go to the package.json, which this file contain all features of our projects. Go to bootstrap and verify that the version is 5.2.3. So alhamdulillah, the first type is correct. Now try to develop a component with two buttons, one without bootstrap and one with bootstrap, to verify that all things work correctly. So go to our source. So right click button, test button, test bootstrap, testbot.js. Testbot.js is a component, so we must import the React from the file React and create our component function dot the same name of our components. So testbot curvy bracelet, and this function must return a thing. So we can use return a empty tag for test. Test to export this function. So export default and the name of our component, test bot. Alhamdulillah. Voila. Now we try to create two buttons. The first without bootstrap to check the results. Button. Voila. First. So we can give the display the name button without bootstrap. The second button is inshallah a button with bootstrap. So BR. The second button, the same button but with bootstrap. Control C, so Control V with bootstrap. The first important thing that import our bootstrap. So import bootstrap, alhamdulillah, bootstrap slash this slash css, alhamdulillah, slash bootstrap file. Bootstrap, we can give mean dot css, alhamdulillah. The second, and try to call class name classical primary button with blue color. So we can button primary primary. Alhamdulillah. Test boats, we can display it in index.js. Go to index.js. Go to our file. So try to close this navigator and go to our test bootstrap. So test bootstrap, we can write test bout. Alhamdulillah. Remark that import test bout from test bout and convert this component to a tag bootstrap. Alhamdulillah. Now try to compile our project or start our project by new terminal and npm start. Yes, we must write yes, inshallah. Yes, and check the results. Localhost, we must have inshallah two buttons with a simple button and other button stealing by a bootstrap. React. Go to our project. React more. Test bout, and test bout, export default test bout. Why? Return. Now check the results. Go to our browsers. Go to other browsers. Button with bootstrap, button without bootstrap, button with bootstrap. It is correct. That alhamdulillah all thing is correct. Now try to develop a NavBar, classical NavBar with bootstrap 5. Go to one of the web page, bootstrap version 5, and try to copy this code. Copy this code and go to the Visual Studio Code and replace this by a navbar. Alhamdulillah. We don't need a form, and we must convert hr to close this tag and try to import the needed file. First, import bootstrap. Now .js, not this .js. JS does this, and we JS bootstrap.js this slash collapse. Alhamdulillah, the first, the second, Control C, Control V, collapse. We maybe need of Canva, so we can slash of this of Canva, other file bootstrap.js drop down, drop down. Alhamdulillah. Collapse off canvas. Voila. Drop down and try to verify. We can give a blue color to our nav by page background primary and go to our browsers to check the results. Bootstrap tests about call ups. Voila, cannot resolve. So imports bootstrap control C control V, sorry, voilà, control V, voilà. We can js dot this dot drop down. Voilà, alhamdulillah. Now go to check the results. All, alhamdulillah, all thank. Check that this NavBar is responsible. So minimize our size and click here. Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah, thank you very much for your watching and see you again. And if you need other course, go to our channel and click only on playlists, and you found all data science course, artificial intelligence, full stack development, programming languages, etc. See you again. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.